I'm Jeff, and this is how to create notes on Microsoft Word. Now, if you're here, you're probably looking at how to create editorial notes, little notes and reminders to other writers who are working with you that you don't want to appear in the actual document itself. It's not too hard. For instance, here I have this story, and what we're going to do is just add a note so that someone knows, who's working on the story with me, that I'm thinking maybe it shouldn't be a princess, maybe it should be a butcher or something like that. Butcher would be good. So I'm going to go up to Insert and down here to Comment. Click Comment, and you can add a comment. I'm going to say, she should be a butcher. And there you go. There's the comment. It's right there. If I click anywhere else in the document, the comment's still there, but we're not editing it anymore. Now we can go back to editing the actual document itself. You can make sure that the comments don't appear if you just want to see the story itself by going to View Markup and go to View Markup again to get the comments back. You can also make sure that everything is being checked and double-checked and traded and tracked and everything's in there, just in case, by going up to Tools and Track Changes, which will make sure that every change you make, every comment you add, will actually have a presence in the document when you hand it off to somebody else to edit. That's pretty much what you need to do if you want to have editorial comments there. I'm Jeff, and this was how to create notes on Microsoft Word.